right, guys, what's going on? AV Watchmen. You guys are tuned in to AV United We Stand. So today we're going to take a little trip. Not far, but we are going to go somewhere. And I'm going to go ahead and throw my drone up. Try to beat this weather. It looks like it's going to rain, so I'm going to get my drone up before that happens. And we're going to go take a flight out there by Juniper Hills. There's something that we're going to check out real quick. I also want to drive over here real quick by Longview. Longview is located here in Little Rock, California. This is the area where Gloria Huerta came up missing from as well. We're gonna stop by this location real quick, and then we will head up south towards the mountains, Juniper Hills. Guys, so we are going to head up here to this location. We're going to put the drone up and we're going to see if we could take a look at the area from the sky. See what we can find, if we can see anything at all. It's been such a long period of time. Somebody left a clue out there. There's something out there that's going to lead us to what happened to Monique Figueroa. This is going to be the location that the Sheriff's Department refused to do any digging at, because it was an outside source that is involved. We'll get into that in a little bit, but there's an outside source that has helped on other cases, and the Sheriff's Department, they don't want to be found wrong because it's not one of their own that's providing this information. I'm back out here by myself, and that out that way is where we're going to fly. Out that way is where everyone believes Monique's body is over there. Like I said, it's been 6 years. No trespassing signs all over the place. You can't just walk in there. But you can fly over it. All right, guys. So this part of the video is going to be silent. When the drone's up in the air, it does not record sound. I don't think I've ever had a drone that was able to record outside sound, unless I think you have to buy like a program for it or something and put like an external speaker on it. But yeah, so this is the piece of land, the property where a lot of people believe that Monique Figueroa is located. From what I'm hearing, could be multiple pieces of her placed around this property sporadically. Another thing that I'm hearing is that there is someone who lives in another state that is claiming to have her teeth, and that he kept her teeth as a trophy This is just a very weird story altogether, guys. It's very sad as well. Here we have a property landowner, the location that I'm flying over, out there with the backhoe digging pipelines, water pipelines from the house across the street all the way over to where my drone is located right now. Exactly where my drone is. So he dug a pipeline from that house all the way out here to where I'm looking around right now with my drone. And not one time did he see Monique Figueroa's car in his garage to his house that no one has lived in for years. And then all of a sudden he discovers that her car is in the garage. And instead of him calling 911 and letting them know, hey, I think this is Monique Figueroa's car, you guys need to come out here, what does he do? He calls a tow truck driver that he knows. The tow truck driver comes out, picks up her car, takes it 45 to maybe 6 miles away and parks it next door to a deputy from the Los Angeles Sheriff's Department. Once again, directly next door to the deputy lives the tow truck driver, and directly across the street from both deputy and tow truck driver is, guess who? The guy that owns this property also owns the house across the street from them. My question is, and I know you guys have the same question, why was this guy allowed to move the car from his property and move it to a different location without zero consequences?